After I didn't find a video to help me and broke a couple connectors figuring them out, I decided to make a video. So first there's a little hole back here. You can see the tip disappears into it, and just pry it. And this little white insert comes out. Just go ahead and pull it the rest of the way out. And then this helps, but you can do them one at a time. If you slide the pick down the top of the metal clip, you will find a little plastic tab that you pry that way on, basically to lift it up away from the metal clip, and you can get the harness out. Two at a time is a little trickier, maybe faster for somebody that's cool, but so I'm riding right up along the metal clip and prying. I got one. Oh, they both came out. So there's a little plastic tab that's catching on them like this, and you just have to pry it that way. Good luck.